focus. Hello everyone. God. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Prakriti. So for today's video, I'm really excited for this video because one of my favorite cosmetics brand, that is MAC Cosmetics, and one of my most favorite YouTuber, the beauty YouTuber right there is Shreya Jain. Both of them collaborated and they came up with 3 beautiful limited edition Diwali kit. The first one consists of the Technocoal and the Stroke Cream, the mini size, and the second one, which is exclusively on Nykaa, and it also says as Pink Bay. It consists of the full size Makeup Fix primer, and along with it consists of full size MAC lipstick, and it is one of their most best selling lipstick out there. It's a MAC Mahir, and the third one, which I ordered for myself this time for Diwali. So I got it from the official site, the MAC Cosmetics, from their official site. So this is how the kit look like. इसमें श्रेया जैन का signature भी किया हुआ है, if you can see. This is called the Get Lippy Kit, and I got it. It consists of 3 beautiful lipstick, the full size matte lipstick, and I'll be swatching all of them. You will be seeing it. Before that, let me tell you something. I did the swatches of all the shade and I find it so beautiful. I believe that how Shreya has chosen all the lip shades are just amazing. It goes with every skin tone, and I'm very proud of Shreya. I just love her. And in this pouch you get these 3 beautiful lipsticks, the full size. There is no extra packaging. I don't mind not getting that extra package, but this is how you get. Otherwise, if you bought it individually out of the kit, then तुमको ऐसे पैकेज मिलता है जो भी इसका पैकेजिंग होता है, but you don't get that. इसमें directly तुमको ऐसे 3 lipsticks मिल जाएगा. MAC is of course a really high-end brand. So this kit cost me 2950, and now talking individually about the MRPs of each of the lipstick. This full size lipstick costs you 1700 each. Okay, so the total kit cost me 2950, which means that each MAC lipstick cost me less than 1000. I mean, it's just a great purchase. And another interesting thing, let me tell you that if you are buying, so you can get this kit from Nykaa, Purple, MAC online site, and even from offline you can visit the MAC store, the Nykaa Luxe. But I purchased from MAC from their official site, and so with the purchase I got 2 extra things, which is these sample products that you usually get with every purchase from their official site. They have various products to choose from. So I chose MAC cleansing oil, this sample, the MAC cleansing oil wala sample. Another is a MAC stroke cream. So this is also in their sample size. Let me show you. It's not a mini. It's just not travel size even. It's really small. Like, of course, their sample size. So it should be. So this is this Chotusa MAC stroke cream, and I mean the stroke cream doesn't need any introduction, of course. And this cleansing oil, really small. These are the 2 samples I got along with the purchase. And also let me tell you another fact about when you are purchasing from their official site, the MAC Cosmetics India, for the first time. If you are putting your order for the first time, then you get another 10% off. So you will be getting it then for 2600, 2600 or something like that. So there is another discount. And that's it, pretty good about the intro. Now you'll be seeing all the swatches, how it looks on me. So this is the first lipstick. This is called the Twig, and let me show you the color first. So this is how it looks. It's a beautiful pink, sorts of pink and mauvish pinkish color, and this is really beautiful color. I think it will flatter your skin tone just, and not only this, all the 3 lipstick will just flatter your skin tone. They are beautiful, and the best part what I found is that तीनों ही lipstick बिल्कुल भी repeat नहीं हो रहा है. मतलब one is this pinkish mauvish color tone, another is so the second shade is a kind of brown color का वो बिल्कुल shade, it gives us the brown color shade. and the last one, which is chili, which gives the red color, like the proper British red. So yeah, this is the best part. The three lipsticks are not repeating, and it gives three different lip color. I mean, it's just perfect. So I'm trying the first one, which is, its name is Tweak. So yeah, this is how the color look like, and it gives you a satin finish. Really comfortable on skin, on lips, and the composition is so beautiful. I mean, of course, it's from MAC, and there should be no doubt in it that how beautiful it will be. There is nothing to say about the quality, but the finish, but the look is just amazing. Like the look, how it turned out, like it just flatters your skin. So it's really thumbs up. I really liked it. Yeah. So this is the first one, the Tweak. Okay, so moving to the second one, and this is how the lipstick looks like. And like I said, it's more over a really beautiful brown colored lipstick. This is one of my favorite. Like, this is the most favorite out of three. I mean, I love brownish shade, and this is the one. I'm trying it out now, and you guys see how it looks on me. Definitely very beautiful. I mean, yeah. So this is how the second lip color look like, and it's in the shade Bold. Again, this is another satin finish lipstick. This is not matte. So moving to the last one from the shade, and it's a really beautiful red color. I don't like red that much, but when I have tried it for the first time, I really loved it. There are many red colors out in the market from various brands, and I have tried a lot of them. I have really tried a lot of them, but मेरे को ऐसा proper मेरे को ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ, मतलब the correct shade I got of red color जिसमें मेरे को लगा कि yeah, this is the red one that really flatters my skin. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं हुआ. But when I tried this for the first time, I just loved. So this is this red. Yeah. I think the camera is doing justice to it. All the three shades are chosen in such a way that it goes with every skin tone. I mean, our country got various skin tone people, and I'm so happy that how the shades come to be. Let me try it now. The shade name is Chili, and this shade is also one of the most selling shade, one of the best seller I can tell you. So yeah, this is Chili, and this is how it looks on me. So that's it for the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please click on the like button. I will be really happy then. So once again, happy Diwali to you all. I love you all so very much. Bye.
You came with a warning. I should have seen it. My bad for falling.